Hello everyone, welcome to my AmyFamily workshop. In this video, I will show you one of the most popular and useful stitches, the backstitch, also known as the lock stitch. Let's assume we're sewing together 2 layers of fabric. Run the needle with the thread through the fabric, stepping a little bit away from the edge. Enter the needle on the right-hand side of the thread and pull it out on the left, so that the thread is more or less in the middle between these 2 points. Pull the needle out. So this is our first tack. Again, enter the needle on the right of the thread at the point where you pulled it out the previous time, and pull it out left of the thread at about the same distance. This is called backstitch because we sort of keep going back to the previous tack. Please take a closer look. Take a step back and exit in front at the same distance. Nothing difficult about it, right? Using this stitch, you can turn a regular piece of fabric into a pencil case, a skirt, a toy, literally anything. All that is needed here is a bit of patience and practice. Don't go hard on yourself from the very start. Just do as best as you can. Here I am finishing my stitch, pulling the needle out, and now I'm going to tie a knot. Check out the next video to see 2 ways to do it.